Good morning, students. In this class we are going to see the next example for critical path method. The problem is activity is given, activity is from A to J is given. For this they are given immediate predecessor and duration is also given. First you have to draw the network and then you have to substitute the duration value. Afterwards we have to come with the critical path. First you have to simply draw the network, afterwards we have the substitution. So here we have A to J activity. After finishing A we have A, B, C, D, E. After finishing A we have 4 activities. So we have to start with this one. Number 1, it should be A activity. So after finishing A only we have to come with B, C, D, E, 4 activities. So this will be B. So this will be C. So this will be D. So this will be E. So up to 6. The next will be after finishing E you have to come with F. So you have to draw F. The next thing is after finishing G you have to come with G. So here we have to come with G. After finishing G, D you have to come with G. The next one is G and F finish means you have to come with H. So G and F you have to join with this. So this will be like this, means that is this is 7. So after finishing G and F you have to come with H. So put this is equation number 8. The next will be after finishing C comma H you have to come with I. So after finishing C comma H means here itself we have to join this one. So this will be actually joined from this one. So after finishing C and H we have to come with I. So this is your 4th activity. The next one is after finishing B you have to come with J. So here you have to write like this. So after finishing B you have to come with J. That's all. So this is your network, but here the J activity and I activity will be separated. So you have to join like this. So you have to put one activity, that is your 8th activity. So you have to join like this. So this is your network. Now we have to substitute the duration. For finding the critical path you should avoid the dummy activity. For here we have to avoid the dummy activity. For here is also we have to avoid the dummy activity. So this is your complete network. So now we have to come with that one. So that one is 1. So 1 to 2, that will be A. For A activity duration is 1. Next will be 2 to 3 is B. So B activity duration is 4. The next will be, first you have to draw the network, afterwards we have to substitute. So this will be so from 2 to 4, next 2 to 5, the next 2 to 6, the next we have to join this and this. The next you have to join this one and finally this one. So now you have to substitute. For this duration is A, so substitute 1. For this duration is B, substitute 4. This duration is J, so for this we have to substitute 2. For this duration is C, so substitute 2 here. So the next is for this one is D, so here 3. This one is E, so here 2. The next one is 5 to, this will be 7. So 5 to 7, that is 5 to 7 is G. So G value will be 2. 6 to 7 is F, so F duration is 3. And 4 to 8 is I, so I duration is 3. Now this is your complete network. Using this value, you have to find out the E value and L value. The first we have to start with E, that E value will be 0. So for this 2, there is only one incoming activity. So 0 plus 1. So E value will be 1. The next is you have to come with this activity. For this also we have only one incoming activity. So E value will be 1 plus 4 is 5. The next you have to come with this one. For this we have only one incoming activity. For 4 we have two activity as incoming. So for this we have this E value. So first you have to find out this and this. Afterwards we have to find out this one. Using this one you have to come with 4. So for this we have to consider means for 5 only one incoming activity. So E value will be 1 plus 3 is 4. For 6 there is only one incoming activity. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So now you have to come with this activity. For this activity the incoming activities are 2. So for this you have to write E is equal to maximum of 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So for this no problem, you have to write 6. Now we have to come with this one. For this two incoming activities, so E value is equal to maximum of 1 plus 2, because this for the previous E value is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. For this 6 plus, for H we have the value 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So for this 7. So completely we have to come with the last one, 8. For 8 E value will be, that is 2 incoming activity. So E is equal to maximum of 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the maximum value will be 10. So now this is your E values. Now we have to come with the L value. So L you have to write 10. You have to come with the previous activity, means this one. For this one, there is only one outgoing activity. So you have to subtract 3 from L. So L value will be 10 minus 3 is 7. So the next we have to come with this one. For this activity, only one outgoing activity. So directly you have to write L value will be 7 minus 1, that is 6. So for this we have to come means for this activity only one outgoing activity. So directly you have to write L value is equal to 6 minus 3. For this also there is only one outgoing activity. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So L value will be 4. Finally you have to come this one. For this only one outgoing activity. So outgoing activity is 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So L value will be 8. So listen here, there is 4 outgoing activity. So you have to write L is equal to minimum of, for this activity 8 minus 4 is 4. For this activity 7 minus 2 is 5. For this activity 4 minus 3 is 1. For this activity 3 minus 2 is 1. So finally L value will be 1. So you have to come here, L is equal to only one outgoing activity. So L value is 1, duration is also 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So finally we get L is equal to E is equal to 0. So your calculation is over. Now we have to come with the critical path. Finding the critical path means we have the same value for L and E. So if this is equal, this is also equal. So this is not equal, so we can't go like this. This will be equal, this is also equal. So this is also equal, this one is also equal, this one is also equal. So the critical paths are 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. This is one thing. The next one is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 4, 4 to 8 is another one. Next one is 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 4, 4 to 8. That is also the another thing. So we have 3 critical paths. So now one is like this, the another one is like this, and the next one is also like this. So from these 3 critical paths, find out the total duration. Which one having the 10 means that is your correct critical path. So you have to draw the critical path. So finally we have to write like this. So suppose your duration is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 4, 4 to 8. That is your correct critical path. You have to write in terms of ABCD because your problem is in terms of ABCD. So 1 to 2 you are writing A. 2 to 5 you have to write D. 5 to 7 you have to write G. 7 to 4 you have to write H. 4 to 8 you have to write I. So this is your critical path, and duration is also for A you have to write 1, D you have to write 3, for G you have to write 2, for H 1, I 3. So totally 10. So this is your final answer. So first you have to draw the network, then only we have to come with the critical path. So I will give 2 homework sums. Do that. If you have any doubts, ask me. Thank you.